Hi, I'm Dr. Corinne Munnings. I am an anesthesiologist and aesthetics medicine doctor from South Florida, and I came all the way to Dallas to do the pain course with Empire Medical Training.
Hi, I'm Dr. Gail Royer. I'm from Alabama. I'm in a pain management practice and also came here to take the pain show and learn more about procedures and indications and treatments. What's getting more involved and more evolved.
So I think the Empire course is a really amazing way in a short amount of time to take a very complex and dense subject, an area of medicine, and make it approachable. So not only is it's fun and easy to acquire, but you actually get to do some procedures at the same time.
I agree. This training has been great. Yesterday we learned a lot of information, and also we're able to do hands-on procedures. Today we're actually getting to use the C-arm and the ultrasound machines, things that are going to be applicable to us in our practice. We've met a lot of people from around the country and formed some friendships here, and that's been an added bonus for sure.
Yeah, like we just became friends yesterday. So it's actually been a great group of people. Everyone's super professional. Everyone's very helpful. It's a great experience, a great environment for learning. So it's been an awesome course so far.
And I think Dr. Stahl and Dr. Smith have gone above and beyond, both with their experience, with their knowledge, their patience. I just can't say enough about the patience they have with us, just learning and answering all of our questions.
And being honest about what they do in their own practice, which is a resource in and of itself, especially as you're trying to add a new service line. Just hearing what they've done, the wealth of experience that they have has been like amazing. Yeah. Hi, my name is Dr. Corinne Munnings.
And I'm Dr. Gail Royer.
And we invite you to join Empire Medical Training.